Hello everybody, this is Josh from Mechanical Transplanter Co. Today we're going to be installing the row marker on the multi-row Jang Seeders. These models would include the JP-2, the JP-3, the JP-6, and the JP-6W. The first thing we want to do with our row marker is we're going to need a few tools. Two 13mm wrenches and two 9/16 wrenches. The first thing we want to do is take our 13mm wrench and remove the handle adjustment bracket bolt shown here and the rear axle nut shown here. And we want to set those aside because we're going to use those in just a second. Okay, now that those are removed, the next thing we want to do in our kit is find our mounting bracket. And the mounting bracket would be installed this way with the mounting tabs in the direction of travel, forward, as so. The next thing we want to do is move my handle adjustment bracket up to the highest level it can go, like so. And then we reuse the nut and the bolt. Now that we have that on secure, the next step would be to take both our 13mm wrenches and we want to go to the upper bolt of the adjustment bracket shown here. We want to remove the bolt that's there. And we would like to replace this with the marker arm hook. Okay, now the next step would be for us to install our marker arm. The marker goes in between the mounting tabs, like so. And we will use the provided 3/8 by 2.5 bolt and the 3/8 nylock nut. Now that that's on, we can put our marker point on, and that's shown here. And the stop and the thumb screw would go in like this. that would end up like that. And then you can place that down the row wherever you would like. Once this is complete, our row marker can snap into position with the hook as shown. We would repeat this for the other side of the seeder, and we would be complete with our row marker for our multi-row Jang seeder. Thanks for watching.